Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the NCLEX on your first attempt. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and question styles, including multiple choice and alternative formats. Next, develop a consistent study schedule, aiming for 2 to 3 hours of focused study each day. Finally, invest in reputable review materials and practice questions to build a strong knowledge base and test-taking skills. This foundational work is crucial for your success. Now, let's talk about effective study methods. Focus your efforts on content areas weighted more heavily on the NCLEX test plan. Don't just answer questions, deeply analyze the rationales for every answer, whether right or wrong, to understand the underlying concepts. This approach strengthens your critical thinking and clinical judgment, which are essential for the exam. Consistent practice in these areas will significantly boost your confidence and performance. As test day approaches, it's vital to prepare your mind and body. Regularly take full-length practice exams under simulated test conditions to build stamina and manage time effectively. Practice stress reduction techniques like deep breathing or mindfulness to stay calm and focus during the actual exam. Remember to prioritize adequate sleep and nutritious meals in the days leading up to your test. These steps are key to performing your best. Finally, trust in the hard work you've put in and maintain a positive mindset. Avoid the temptation to cram new information in the final hours before the exam. Instead, review key concepts and relax. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your study sessions and on test day. For a great way to do that, check out the link in the description for the Oala water bottle and other helpful deals. You've prepared for this moment, so go in with confidence and show what you know.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.